Hey guys, it's Ruth. I'm here with your History Mystery Monday. And I apologize, I haven't been around for a few weeks, so thank you for sticking with me. I also want to do a quick shout out to all the 68 people who became Historical Society members on Friday in celebration of our 75th anniversary. We did a $1 membership campaign on Friday, November 15th, because in November 15th, 1949, it's when we got our first official donation of a grave marker, which I covered in a History Mystery Monday about a month or two ago. So I just want to shout out to all those people. Thank you for donating and thank you for becoming a member. Membership is so important to small organizations like us, and we thrive on those funds. So thank you very much. So for today, I was thinking about what to do, and at my house, I was currently taking down some ceiling tiles, and two pennies fell out. One was from 1944, and the other was from 59. And so it got me thinking about stuff we find in walls or in unexpected places. And we happen to be doing our 75th anniversary exhibit here right now, and we happen to have items that we have found in our walls. And so I'm going to show you a couple of them. I don't know how well you can see, but you see there's obviously like a dog food label, a cigarette, Lucky Strike back there. We got some matches. This is interesting, this Oscar name. This is July 10th, 1941. I can't see the last name. I think it's like Mark. Could be Mask. I don't really know. It's on that piece of paper there. Those are just some of the things that were found when we were renovating this building 10 years ago when we bought it. And so then also got me thinking about stuff that we found, that people have found in walls that gave them to us. So I thought I would just share that with you. We have found shoes. Someone else found shoes on East Cottage Street, and they donated them here. We have them in our basement. We also just got another pair of shoes the other day from John Borso, who found them in their walls when they were doing a renovation years ago. A pencil from Brewster and Church was found in a house on South Main Street. And really cool is a cast iron trolley train that was found in a wall on Church Street. And I thought that was a pretty cool find. I did a home tour video a few years ago that is not public yet. And they found they found a sad iron in their wall, which was super cool. That was a house on Miles. So let me know what you found in your wall. Did you keep it? Did you display it somewhere? Did you leave it there? Did you add something else when you were renovating your house? Let us know in the comments what you found in your walls and how cool is that. So that's our History Mystery Monday for today. And did you research anything you found in your walls? Did you have your own history mystery? Let us know. I'm very excited to learn. So that's all for today. I will see you next week, and have a good day.